All right, and here is the next part we have for the engine bay. Also got this on FT speed. I will put a link down in the description below if you're interested in something like this. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get this out of the box. And this is another carbon fiber piece. You guys know I like carbon fiber, just not too much carbon fiber. I honestly think you can overdo it when it comes to carbon fiber. But you know, if you do it strategically, it doesn't look overdone, I think you'll be able to pull it off really, really well, or just fine. But let me just fast forward all this. Oh yeah. That looks sweet. Check that out. Awesome. Let me just inspect it for any defects. And I don't see any. I see a little haziness down here. If you guys can see that. You could probably polish that out. And if you're not familiar with the Supra, this part right here is the part that we are replacing with the carbon fiber piece that we unboxed. I don't know how to take this off, but I'm sure it's pretty easy, but we'll figure it out. So let me go ahead and get that part ceramic coated and let's get to work. This part just comes out. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, it's dirty. How the hell am I gonna get this out? You gotta be kidding me. How am I gonna take this bolt out? Do I gotta take the bumper off? No, come on. All right, so I actually watched Thick Whip's video on how to take this off and install the carbon fiber piece. Apparently there's a plastic piece right here that needs to be Dremeled out. So we're gonna take these 4 bolts out, peel this bumper back a little bit, and we're gonna Dremel some of this plastic down in here somewhere. So let's go ahead and do that. I think these are just 10 millimeters. So this might not be the right way to do it, but this is just how I'm doing it. I think the right way to do it is actually take the bumper off. We'll see about that. All right, it's gonna be a pain to take off or put back in. All right, yeah, that's gonna be a pain. All right, so these are all Dremeled out. Now I'm able to take these bolts out. Easy, only took about 5 minutes. 13 millimeter. All right. I think that's all of them. There you go. Woohoo! Oh, that looks so good. Guess we should slip it into from the front first. That's the better way to do it. There you go. I wonder if you can put this cable underneath. You probably could. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna tuck this cable down and through this hole right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, it might be a little too far away. If I do it under here on this side, looks like this cable might kink a little bit. Almost forgot to transfer this over. So let's do that now. All right. All right, so I put this cable back where it's supposed to go. Only reason why I did is because when I pulled the hood release, it just felt like it was catching on something, didn't feel right. So I figured, you know, I'll just put it back where it's supposed to go, and it feels just fine now. It doesn't have a hole there. Huh. I didn't know that, but check this out. So one thing that you're gonna notice on this engine cover is that it doesn't have a hole for the oil filler, which, you know, to me is not a big deal. And I was thinking about this earlier is that, you know, if you're gonna change the oil, you're gonna have to remove the engine cover anyways, you know, to get easier access to the oil filter. And you don't need any tools to take this off. Obviously, if you own a Supra, you know that. You know, it takes literally 2 seconds to remove it. So yeah, so if you notice, there's no oil filler cap there. You know, in my opinion, it's really not a big deal. It just gives the overall cover a cleaner look. So let's turn this over. Let's get this prepped so we can install it. But before we do, we need to transfer some of the, come on, it's stuck on there. We need to transfer some of the old rubber bushings from the old one into this one. As you can see, these have these little rubber bushing thingy-bobbers, and I think these just come out. I don't have much room on my workbench. Try to do this in real time for you guys. I don't know where my little tool is. Come on now. There you go. That comes off. Then you just transfer over to the new engine cover. A little tight, but I'm sure it'll go in there. There you go. Easy. Let me go ahead and do the rest of them. We'll put it in the engine bay. We'll show you what it looks like. All right, got all of those rubber grommets installed. Let's see if it fits. Oh, this looks so good. Try not to scratch it on this little strut brace thing here. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Oh yeah. There you go. First impressions are really, really good. Love the way it looks. Gives that engine bay just a little bit more spice. There you go. I know there are other engine bay covers out on the market. Reason why I chose this one was just because of price and availability. Sometimes carbon fiber parts are, you know, back ordered right now, but this one was in stock, so I went ahead and ordered it. I don't know if it's still in stock, but I'll put a link down in the description for all the stuff down below. I really want to get a carbon fiber ECU cover too. And I think I saw another company had carbon fiber covers for this part. I don't know. We will see about that. Dang, it's just so clean. But anyways, that is it. Quick video for you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.